It's English Grammar for Grade 2, Junior English, page number 26. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, students of Grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all will be fit and fine and enjoying good health. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay at home. Okay, students, have a very good morning and welcome back to our online class. Today we are going to do the work of the Junior English book, page number 26. As today is Wednesday, 21st April 2021, and our today's task is Junior English, page number 26. So hurry up, students, all of you take out your Junior English book and open the page number 26. Today we are going to do the topic is showing ownership. Showing ownership. Okay, students, let's see what is the meaning of showing ownership. What is an ownership? Ownership means belongs anything to anyone. Ownership means belongs anything to anyone. It is the meaning of ownership. For example, I like Simon's new puppy. The apostrophe and S in Simon's shows that the puppy belongs to Simon. It is his. He owns it. Apostrophe. Apostrophe. By the use of apostrophe and S, things shows belonging to anyone. By the use of apostrophe and S, things shows belongs to anyone. As you can see in this sentence, here is a sign over the N. This sign is called apostrophe. This sign is called apostrophe. So when we will add this apostrophe before S, so it used to show things belongs to anyone. For example, I like Simon's new puppy. The apostrophe and S in Simon's shows that the puppy belongs to Simon. Okay, students, now let's open page number 26 and start exercise number 1. Exercise A. Putting the apostrophe. This is the sign of apostrophe, students. Putting the apostrophe before the S. As you can read, the robin's breast. Here is no apostrophe before S. When we will add apostrophe before the S, so it shows the robin's breast. The robin's breast. The sailor's cap. The sailor's cap. By the use of apostrophe, it shows this cap belongs to sailor. The horse mane. The horse's mane. Number 4. The rabbit's tail. The rabbit's tail. By the use of apostrophe and S, it is showing that tail is belonging to rabbit. Number 5. The old man's beard. The old man's beard. Number 6. The cashier's till. The cashier's till, using of apostrophe and S. The lady's handbag. The lady apostrophe S. The lady's handbag. Number 8. The sheep's wool. The sheep's wool. This apostrophe and S shows the things belonging to anyone. Exercise A, statement number 9. The queen crown. The queen's crown, apostrophe and S. Number 10. The dog collar. The dog's collar. This apostrophe and S shows that this collar is belonging to dogs. The dog's collar. Now we are going to do exercise B. Exercise B. In exercise B, putting the apostrophe before the S. This is a full statement. The book belonging to Mary. If any book is belonging to Mary, so we will say in the short form, Mary's book. Mary's book. S apostrophe S. Number 2. The bat which belongs to Peter. If a bat is belonging to Peter, so what we will call it? Peter's bat. Peter's bat. Apostrophe S. Number 3. The ribbon belonging to Anne. It is a long statement. For it make to the short statement, we will use apostrophe and S. So we will say Anne's ribbon. Anne's ribbon. The watch which belongs to Dad. The watch which belongs to dad, it will be called dad's watch. Dad's watch. Exercise B is completing. Now exercise C. Exercise C, write these in the short way. These are the full statements, detailed sentences we will write in the short form by the using apostrophe and S. The fur of the cats. What is the fur of the cats called? Cat's fur. Apostrophe S. Cat's fur. Number 2. The den of the lion. Lion's den. Apostrophe S shows the belonging. This den is belonging the lions. The beak of the blackbird. What is the beak of the blackbird called? Blackbird's beak. Blackbird's beak. Number 4. The ear of the donkey. Donkey's ear. Donkey's ear. Apostrophe S. By the using of apostrophe and S, we will make the short form and a meaningful sentence. And last one is the horns of the cow. Cow's horns. Cow's horns. And now get ready for today's dictation line number 18. Firstly, revise with me. Maintain your page. Same like this. Wednesday, 21st April 2021. Topic is dictation. Line number 18. Number 1 word is boasted. Number 2 strength. Number 3 pulled. Number 4 louder. And number 5 smiled. I hope you have learned these dictation words by your heart. Take out your notebooks and do the test on your notebook without cheating, and do your work honestly. It is our today's task of class assignment. Now it is the home assignment for you. You will do exercise B on English grammar notebook, because it is the work of junior English and we are doing the work of junior English on English grammar notebook. Okay student, don't forget to do the work on English grammar notebook. By mistake sometime you have done your work on English literature notebook, so must be careful. You will do your work on English grammar notebook and you will learn dictation line number 19. Okay students, according our new timetable, on Thursday and Friday your English and science class will be off. Only maths lecture I will deliver to you. So now you will learn dictation line number 19 and you will do the test of dictation line number 19 on Monday, according to the new timetable which I have shared to you in group. As I hope so you all have seen that timetable. So on Thursday and Friday our English and science class will be off. Some rest of the subjects will be delivered to you. Okay students, in the days of Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, in Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, in 4 days you will learn your all work of English which I have done on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay student, do your work in a very nice writing, in a very beautiful handwriting. Don't forget to draw the margin line, use the sharp pencil, and don't forget to underline the topic and the subtopic. Now it's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz students, have a nice day. Inshallah now we will meet on Monday with our new lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.